today's edition, we will be going over on how to install and adjust your PRsix stem on your Quintana bike. The first step is to grab your 4mm Allen wrench to loosen all 4 bolts from the top plate of the stem. This will allow you to make any adjustments to the angle of your handlebar. Before doing that though, you want to make sure that all 4 bolts are completely loose so there is no pressure to the top plate. If this is not done properly, you will experience shearing from the grip, potentially damaging your bike. Once you have loosened your bolts completely, you can now reset your angle of your handlebar. After you have set your bars to the desired angle, reassemble your top plate. Bottom out the 2 rear bolts while making sure that there are no housing or Di2 wires in between the top plate and the stem base that could get pinched. Then snug the front 2 bolts. You will need to tighten these bolts to 6 Nm for stable conditions. In order to do this, grab your 6 Nm torque wrench and alternate screwing in the front 2 bolts until the torque wrench clicks, indicating the bolts are tightened properly. Repeat one more time to be sure both are tight. Now you're ready to go.